I love burritos! We don't get hyped, we stay hyped! We're hyped for burritos, I'm hyped for burritos, I love burritos, you love burritos. Burritos are everything in this whole entire world and it's the meaning of life. Just kidding. Alright, but anyways, we are also hyped because we have ourselves a new belt unboxing video. Oh yeah, making sure I didn't just give away my address. I did not, so we're good. Alright, so what's going on? Hashtag Burritos Nation. It's your boy Rainbow Warrior here, loving burritos as always. Have you guys had any burritos today? I've had two. Frozen burritos that I heat up in the microwave at work. Yeah, anyways, you guys are probably here for the belts, but I know that you guys love burritos too, because if you don't love burritos, you're just absolutely insane in the membrane and you don't know what you're doing. And you're not awesome like a possum. But I know you guys are awesome like a possum. All right, but anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and get straight to it and do it. We got ourselves this handy dandy knife right here, which is pretty awesome like a possum. AJ's Belts. This is not a sponsored video, but I love AJ's Belts, and I totally forgot to buy this belt from them because they could have gotten it from Fandu belts. But as you can see in the title, it is the full gold Fandu, didn't say Fandu, Fandu Championship Fandu Andre 1987 belt, which is pretty cool beans. Don't know why I was just showing you my knife bunch. And as you guys may know, I do have three other Fandu belts: the classic tag team belt, the Backlund belt, as well as my Chris Benoit nameplates. Big gold belt right here, which I absolutely love. Is my favorite belt to hold, man. I just absolutely love wearing it. I'm not going to show you all my Fandu belts right now, but if you guys want, make sure you give it a like and let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a full Fandu belt collection, which this will be my fourth, my Fandu Andre. So yeah, that should be pretty sick, man. Look at that. My favorite wrestler, Chris Benoit. I know a lot of you guys are going to hate me for doing that, but was a great wrestler. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing video, baby. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and get this Fandu Andre. This is my first belt unboxing video when it's an actual new belt in about 4 months. My last one was my re-leathered Ring of Honor belt, which took forever to get, by the way, because the re-leather took a while because of personal reasons. But yeah, alright, so let's go and get into this. There's the box. There's the box. Let's go ahead and cut on into it. Alright. Alright, see if we can do this. Well, I probably should have planned out where I wanted to do this. I'm an idiot. Just do it right here. Alright, there you go, Rainbow. There you go, buddy. Gonna struggle a little bit here, just because I'm really excited to get this belt. And yeah, alright. Let's try not to slice myself open. Alright, got that part open. Got this part open. And just get this last itty bitty part right here. Alright. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Now this belt was in fact made for a giant, Andre the Giant itself, but I did not expect... Oh my gosh, guys. Wait till you guys see this. I've seen them on videos before and stuff, but this belt is gigantic, the main plate. It's a pretty decent sized strap too. Oh my gosh. So this belt, probably going to butcher this, but from what I get from seeing a little bit of the history of it is, of course, Bobby Heenan, who I believe was the manager at the time for Andre the Giant, went ahead and made this belt for him to win the WWF Championship, because the belt was too small for Andre, because Andre is a 7-foot giant. Who knows how big he was, 500 pounds or so. But Andre the Giant was going to get this belt, but it ended up being they had Hulk Hogan win the belt, so it never actually made itself on television. Besides, I think it was on a movie where they had, in one scene, Hulk Hogan had it. But here we go, baby. Look at that. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, that belt is gigantic. This thing's bigger than my head. Well, like, a lot of belts are, but yeah, that thing's gigantic. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to go and get this out here. It's a lot of bubble wrap. A really, really awesome thing that Fandu does is make sure that you got a lot of bubble wrap here. Here's the gold tip right here as well, which is pretty sick. Love myself a gold tip. Alright. Here's the belt look right here with the bubble wrap on it. Look at all those side plates. We'll get into detail with that in just a second. And I am super excited about this, because this is, like I said, my first belt unboxing in over 4 months, which is going to be pretty sick. So we're going to go ahead and take this bad boy out. They got a lot of bubble wrap on here. Bubble wrap! There you go! Rest in peace, headphone users! Alright, and there is my beautiful belt. They got a bunch of stuff to take off. I'll probably have to take off some of it after the video too. But we're going to take off a little bit at a time here. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, it's just so satisfying. So satisfying indeed. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any Fandu Championship belts, if you have this belt exactly. And yeah, and I am a big fan of the white strap. I really like white strap, and I think that's actually what they had from what I read in the movie. And as always with a lot of Fandu Championship belts, it is going to be a fingerprint magnet, just like the Intercontinental Championship as well. Oh my gosh, look at that bad boy shine. Alright, we're going to take that off as well. Take off that one, show you guys what I'm doing here, just taking off the extra stuff. Got all the countries over here, a bunch of them. Alright, gonna take it off of this side too. Hopefully you guys are enjoying me ripping off stuff off my belt. No, it's probably not the most fun thing. But anyways, we're gonna go and start out with, we got ourselves the gold plate right here. The gold plate, the gold, whatchamacallit, belt tip. We're taking the sticker off of that as well. Beautiful big belt tip. It's a pretty thick strap. We got ourselves on this side. We got 2x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2x8 on the snaps on this side. And on this side we got 2x4, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like. Yeah, it looks like 2x9. I'm not sure if this is going to fit me or not. It would be really cool if it did. But I know my Fandu Big Gold does not fit me as well as my Fandu Classic Tag. But yeah, let's go and get a good look at this. Right here, look at that bad boy. Look at that thing shine. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Look at that big belt. That is gigantic. That center plate itself, man, is worth the money. And these belts are only, they're 300 when it comes to Fandu belts most of the time. Unless you want to get a dual plate, they might be 4. And then you can always get a minor flawed, which rarely you can ever see the flaw. But I have like a OCD thing where I always want my belts to be perfect, so that's why I try to make sure that I do the full price. But yes, look at that shine, look at that bad boy go back and forth. Let's go and go over here. We got ourselves, it looks like, well, of course, Italy, as well as the USSR, of course, Russia's former, what it was called, Italy and the USSR flags, and they got the names right under them too. Just look at it. You can see your reflection. Obviously, you can't see yours because it's a video, but but you know what I mean. And then we got, of course, right here, we got Mexico, Japan, okay, and the United States. I think I just noticed, am I wrong? Is it supposed to be like that? Okay, so I do have a mishap on my belt. I just noticed this plate right here. I mean, it's not too big of a deal. I can go ahead and I think I'll be able to take this out, but as you can see, my second plate on my left side is actually upside down, so that's kind of annoying, but still a beautiful belt. All right, United States and Mexico. Got the big globe in the middle. World Heavyweight Wrestling Champion. That's all you want to see in a big World Championship belt. You definitely want to see a globe that shows the world. Got the 2 eagles, which in fact pop out. Look at the thickness of this. Fandu Championship belts are always 8mm thick. It's just absolutely awesome how thick a Fandu Championship belt is. Just look at that. The 8mm thick. It's absolutely awesome. And then on this side we got ourselves, of course, the UK, United Kingdom, as well as Australia, and Canada, the Maple Leaf, and Japan, Japón. That's how you say it in Spanish. Yeah, why not? Alright, but yeah, that is pretty sick. It is really weird that we got ourselves an upside down plate, but like I said, that can be fixed. But yeah, that is pretty darn awesome, like a possum indeed, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this belt, how you guys like this belt, if you guys have one like it, or if you guys are thinking about getting it. Only $300 compared to the WWE shop belts are not even close to quality, in my opinion. If you want to get quality, you go with Fandu. There it is over the shoulder this way. There we go. Turn it around. There we go. And then we can flip it over this way as well. championship belt going with the top of the main plate that way. I do not think it's going to fit around my waist, but we can try. We can go ahead and try mine as well. And as I thought, oh my gosh, it's going to fit. Cool. Wow, I did not expect that. The belt is actually going to fit around my waist, which I am really, really excited about. Right, I did not expect that, it being belt for a giant itself, and my other two belts don't fit me with Fandu. So I'm really excited that this belt actually fits around my waist. There we go. Looks around the waist, as you can see my AEW shirt that I'm going to be going to Double or Nothing in Las Vegas, Nevada at the MGM Grand on May 25th. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see somewhat of a vlog on that, or maybe at least a little bit of action or pictures or something. But yes, there we go. My Fandu Andre 1987 belt. Big gold tip, big belt, but I'm really happy the way the snap so I can actually fit it around my waist. Got the white strap. I really like the white strap. As you saw, I got that on my big gold belt as well. And there we go, baby. The big gold, full gold Fandu Andre belt right there. There we go, guys. Let me know in the comments below how you guys like this belt. If you guys want to see some more belt unboxing videos, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see a Fandu Championship belt collection, as well as collections on the wall, how I put up stuff and all these things, let me know. Just give me some ideas, and I'll make some videos on it. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see all of y'all. Hashtag Burritos Nation. Ooh, later. We don't want no ham and cheese. We just want burritos, please. Yeah. I love burritos so much. Fixed it. And she is gorgeous. Mexico and USA has been fixed. I love burritos.